Hey guys, welcome. This is how to fix camera not working on Teams. So guys, if you ever encounter that, what you could try to do is just simply go to the settings into your Windows. Now here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go for privacy and security. Here on the privacy and security, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see here camera. Here on the camera, make sure to have your camera access turned on. And guys, if you haven't, make sure your Microsoft Teams is turned on over here. Now, once you have ensured that, you can just simply go for the Teams and it should be working fine. But if it doesn't, you could just simply go for the open video options over here. And after that, you should be able to have your camera. Now guys, if you don't have your camera still over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the icon over here on your Chrome and make sure to have the camera turned on, because if you don't have this turned on, it will not go through. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.